Pipiga ng kalamansi. Gusto niya siya nagpipiga. Uy, very good. Yummy. Oh, one more. Mm. Okay. Oh, sorry. Pick it up. Okay. Oh, ang galing magpiga. Ang galing magpiga ng kalamansi, ah. Sige na, kain ka na. That's enough. Oh, kain ka naman. Oh, that's enough, baby. That's enough. Tama na. Oh.
Mama.
Oh, no more. Oh, sige na, come on, you eat na. Oh. Siya, puro asim na yan.
Mama.
Oh, here, oh.
Oh.
Oh, use
No.
Oh, use your fork.
No.
Sige, kamayin mo na.
Fork.
Oh, fork nga eh. Okay.
Cake.
May cake?